I welcome una my people, welcome to this channel. I know say most of una go know say on October 20, 2021, people come outside, come do the rebirth of this EndSars protest wey happen last year. Now, among all those people wey come outside, e get one video wey dey trend of one guy wey be say they beat am, They beat am to the stage wey be say these police people still carry pepper spray pour on top of this guy eye. But for those of una who never watch am, make una join me watch.
I didn't do anything. I'm an Uber guy. Inside there. I didn't do anything. Uber, this man. I didn't do anything. I'm an Uber guy. I'm not allowed to go.
Una don't see the guy. Una see as they rough handle this guy. Say because say wait, and as this guy they carry him in they shout. Say him na Uber driver, but still they no listen to them. Now what he come carry me come outside, can't talk this matter. Now because this guy now don't come outside, they cry. They talk say the car wey him carry go that place, say he no see in car again. And what he carry and reach this place in the first place now say because of what him na Uber driver him be. Him just they drive, they pass. Now there in here say they don't start to they shoot. They don't get throw tear gas. And now remember last year now so stray bullet go meet person. Make him run for him life. Now there this guy come down, come run, come out. Only for him to come back now. Now there police don't catch and say him dey among protesters. My people, make now watch where him for talk this one.
Good evening. This is me, Adedotun Clement, the car man that was butchered by police. I need justice. I just came back to the mic for my car. When I hear they are shooting, I have to come down and run for my life because that was how some people were killed the other time, which we had. So I just have to run from there, leave my car. Okay, after the thing came down, I now went back and leave my car there. So I just took to one of the neighborhood guy. That okay, guy, I parked my car there when they were shooting, so I have to run. And he said, okay, I should meet people there. So I now getting there. They started brutally me. They started beating me. They like a black man. They people. I know they are not. Me just the pass. But I hear they are shooting. Make say bullet no go meet me inside. But enemy come down run. I'm Adedotun Clement. My car, this is the source of my income. This is my life. I don't see the car. I don't know where the car I go now. What's happening with that? To me, help me. Help me get my car back. I beg you. Help you.
Imagine, but say run from trouble, go carry himself now they enter another trouble. Shebi say no, if for those days inside in car, just drive away from here. Because saying the fear say make stray bullet no go meet him on and see where this guy don't run go. Now come just say make him ask you say Oga police I beg. I park my car keep for here and I no see my car again and I dey very certain. Say now all these police people now then go call person say come tow the car. Now because say the guy come ask on and see as they rough handle the person. All these our Nigerian police, I don't talk on a matter don't tire me. It be like as we they complain now so now they get worse, now no they change. But now what they really pay me now the fact that this guy no see in car. He don't go meet these people, but they don't want to release the car to them. I beg, ain't thief. I beg the car they write and say na stolen car. Person when they come, even if say when they come protest, I beg who given her the right to go they arrest person car. On a no carry the person, now don't leave the person. The car now on a no one go release them. On our own use and for our own selfish interest, and I go chop the money. That one no go happen. It no go happen as government don't fail us. In this side, no go fail us. Mr. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu now waiting be on. I beg. If you no go do anything, we not supposed to beg you. Because as I beg you, if they vex me, but make we just put pride aside. Just beg you. I beg find something to do about this guy car. Because now waiting they use to survive now in livelihood now be that. So I don't go see why your people, your forces go come season for no good reason. At least even the EndSars they talk in a car drive what they call them protest. So why person go still carrying car on our con 6 car? I beg, find something to do about that one. Follow your people talk, make them release this guy thing for him in peace so that trouble no go shele. Because as it be, I hear say people don't they carry this matter for head. And if you not release that car sooner or later, another 2-word protest will come aside. My people, now here I will end them on this matter. Make us stay tuned for our next story. Wahala be like bicycle, my people. Hey, I know say as some people come outside they protest over this rebirth of EndSars. Now so some another group they don't come outside. Then now they protest against this whole SARS protest wey people they do. And say then they claim say the whole killing of people and massacre and everything will happen. Say none of them happen. Say in fact people just they come outside they lie. Say anybody wey know say they shoot am, they never see the person. Make the person come outside, come talk am. And these people they stand on their ground, say all those attack and everything will happen for Lekki. Say nothing like that happen. No, my people beg, make una join me watch.
We have come here because we found out there are some miscreants hiding behind EndSars, coming here to protest EndSars memorial, claiming that there was massacre. We are here to set the record straight. If there was any massacre, why are their bodies not found? We are here to put those lies to rest. The truth shall prevail in our country. There was no massacre anywhere in Nigeria. Nobody was killed in Lekki Toll Plaza. If there was massacre, let an incontrovertible evidence be presented to the public. But there was none. 1 year after. So we are here. So Warren and his group that want to destabilize our country, Nigeria, we must not allow them. We are going to resist them. We are going to fight them because we are patriots that believe in the Nigerian project. We will not allow elements sponsored by foreign interests to destabilize our country. We have no other country than Nigeria. So his families are living in the United States. If at all the United States is destabilized, will he have settled with his families there? We are here because we believe in Nigeria. All our families and all the people we care for are living here in Nigeria.
Okay, these people will follow you, so I don't count them. They no reach 15. So how I take mobilize come here like this? Because and I know plenty like those other people.
We are not sponsored people. Those people that have mobilized massively is because they are sponsored. They are hired crowd. These are genuine patriots that believe in the Nigerian project. That's why they are here with us.
And I see the rubbish wey this one. As they talk, they do me like make a dead there. Give am 2 backhand slap. Because I don't know what this guy they talk. Me personally, I go that protest. So I don't know what this mumu abokima constant there they talk now. And if now what in followers, the people will follow, they never even reach what it be 10 self. They never even reach 9. I don't know where they go pack themselves come from. And I see they claim all this like if you now notice the people they even laugh. They know say all the thing when they brag out now pure rubbish. Now what make they look at okay, oh, just they lie or lie. As far as everything don't finish, they go collect their money. But I get shocking news for you. You talk say you don't see anybody will survive am abi. Anybody will know this man, I beg call and come, make him come this channel. I get correct proof for them. My people beg, make now follow me watch.
On the 20th of October 2020. And I was on the chest, by the right hand side of my chest. Okay. That's where they shot me. I'm a surviving victim. And they removed it from my back here. Wow. Say that you did. And then they fixed because I blocked the chest here. Blood that was coming out now began to store inside my tummy. And they now took me to the theater on oxygen and fixed a pipe inside my belly to be bringing out bad water and bad blood. You know?
Lekki Toll Gate Lekki Toll Gate mo wà ní ọjọ́ 20th of October 2020. Nínú Lekki Toll Gate náà fi ṣúùtù mi. Ní mo ṣáàtì báyìí pé kó ẹ̀pù mi, àwọn EndSars ló dé ẹ̀pù mi tó yẹ pé wọ́n fi gbé mi lọ sí hospital. Láti hospital kìíní hospital kejì, òun náà ti ṣiṣẹ́ mi pé wọ́n máa dí ẹsẹ̀ rẹ̀ pé tí n bá ti dí ẹsẹ̀ rẹ̀ pé mi ò lè fi ẹsẹ̀ rẹ̀ ṣe kankan. Ó dìgbà tó ń bá dí ẹsẹ̀ rẹ̀ láti ìgbà tó ń lè fi ẹsẹ̀ rẹ̀ ládẹ̀ tí wà á dẹ̀ ń wá á dẹ̀ fẹ́ kí ìjọba ṣe. Láti ìgbà yẹn á dẹ̀ fi wá.
Oga, hope say you don't see. I personally go find this video because of you. So that at least you go know say true this one happen. Because people no go come outside when they like say they kill them. The one way pay me pass. Now that girl wey even come outside come talk say Boo Boo is a bad boy. Yes, that girl, where that girl dey now? The girl don't die and nobody even talk about him. Even that girl soul and spirit. Wherever I dey, if you see as Nigeria be now, she go even see the cry for Nigeria. On no reason all these ones na come decide to come outside. In which I dey very certain say they go pay on a money and e no go pass 1,000 naira. 1,000 wey be say na go use am chop one day, the thing don close. Na there now na come outside. They come outside, come dey talk rubbish. In fact, I wish say I did that place where you come outside, come dey talk this kind thing. I make na look this kind whole matter wey happen. If no be say our government and our police they be thief and corrupt people. These people they do their own protest. They no even go attack them. They no go arrest them. They no do them anything. But see the ones who be say they come outside. They talk bad about Buhari and about the country. Now then they go face. But the people who be say that they against them, the Buhari supporters, they leave them, maybe they do their rubbish on top of road. Anyway, make na continue. Last, now inside poverty na go die for. Because to me, I dey very certain say on aboki mumus. If not by now, I go don realize and say, this man, he know wetin they do. He just dey bow on honor. So that later he go come out and talk say, okay, as people they protest against them, some people say come out. All these things are strategy. People wey dey inside the country know wetin dey really happen. Anyways, my people, now here I go end them on this matter. Make na stay tuned for our next story.